If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your American Express account, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Keep in mind that not all transactions may be eligible for cancellation. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Locate the pending transaction. Navigate to the Transactions section of your account. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. This is usually listed separately from completed transactions. Step 3. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transaction to view its details. Make sure you have the correct transaction, including the amount and merchant information, before proceeding. Step 4. Initiate cancellation requests. If the option is available, look for Cancel or Dispute button next to the transaction. Click on it to start the cancellation process. If you don't see this option, you may need to contact customer service. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation request. If you contacted customer service, ensure you receive confirmation of the cancellation via email or message. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your account to ensure the transaction is cancelled. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to American Express customer support for further assistance.